Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamski and this is my game Arcade Shop Simulator. It is on Steam right now. I'm planning to release it in 2 days, so on Wednesday the demo will be live on Steam. So please add it to wishlist, link is in the description, and I'm gonna show you what I prepare for the demo. Someone mentioned playing the game that this game has no music, and that was true. I was planning to add music and I did. I asked my friend to who is a producer. He make sampled hip-hop old school type beats, and I put it in the game, but I did it in way like this, that there is radio and you need to turn it on. So there are two types of music actually. One type is 8-beat sounds, but you can change it to those classic hip-hop beats.
Dear friend, get up and walk slowly on the mat.
You can decrease the volume, and again you can turn it off, turn it on, and change to 8-beat. The second thing I did is I made a start map. So it is like this. It's very simple. I'm still gonna add some stuff. I made settings, different type of settings. There are credits here as well. Yeah. But the thing I am most proud of are playable games. So if you buy Snake game, you can play good old Snake. There's high score and there is going to be a leaderboard, so the higher score you will have, you can compare it with other players that bought this game. It's not gonna be in the demo yet, but it's gonna be in the final release. So it's like old arcade plays. When you play a game and you had the higher score, someone else could come later and beat you, so their name was on the top. So I'm gonna introduce the same mechanics here, only worldwide with a Steam leaderboards. And I have another game which is called Scrappy Nerd. You see how this nerd is not scrappy, to be honest, because he's doing pretty good until he's not. And this game, Scrappy Nerd, was made by my students, by Maciek and Ola. So I need to credit them, and they're doing great job, and they're preparing another game. So I will have definitely more than 2 games. There is one more game. You could also buy this old Soviet thing. I'm still working on it. It's not functional yet, but it's going to be there, and hopefully it's going to be in the demo as well. I have another game. So this is the next game I'm working. If you know what it is, good for you. If not, you're gonna be surprised. So guys, thanks for watching. This is my game Arcade Shop Simulator. Once again, it is on Steam. The link to the game is in the description, so please add it to wishlist. I'm gathering wishlist before my release of a demo. So please add it to wishlist and wait 2 days and you can play it. Let me know if you like it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.